Construction progress Barcelona new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou. We start our tour at the north end, where recent progress is evident. Over the past few days, they've added new structural elements that complete the enclosure of this corner. The steel framework is now fully installed, marking a significant milestone in this area. Looking towards the south end, similar advancements are visible. New concrete panels are being laid, and workers are busy with large beams and hydraulic lifts. These efforts are crucial for setting up the new concrete base, which is essential for the upcoming phases of construction. Moving to the east end, we see that the concrete floor panels are coming along nicely. New structures and steel reinforcements have been added, showing rapid progress. The central area, which was bare just weeks ago, is now almost ready for concrete pouring. It's remarkable how quickly the construction teams are working. Despite some noisy machinery and ongoing tasks, the transformation is clear. The newly added steel supports and concrete reinforcements are a testament to the project's progress. As we wrap up today's update, let's take a moment to appreciate the major shift in the parking area, where groundwork has begun. This is an exciting development, signaling that we're moving towards finishing the surrounding infrastructure. With these new parking fajados in place, the area is finally starting to take shape. We still have a long way to go, with plenty of work ahead, but seeing these changes gives us a glimpse of how impressive the completed Camp Nou will be. That's it for today's update. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on this incredible project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.